In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make TikTok videos of 60 seconds, which means that these are longer than 15 seconds. So right now I'm going to show you how to make 60-second TikTok videos. So step number one would be to go to the Play Store or to the App Store and search for TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to search for TikTok right now. There you go, then click on the TikTok app and you want to make sure to update it. As you can see right there, it just said update and now it says open, which means that I actually just updated the TikTok app, and you want to make sure to update the TikTok app as well so that you have the latest version available. And then right now, you're going to go back to TikTok. You're going to go to your account. You're going to sign into your account. You're going to click on the plus icon right there, and then you'll be able to swipe through these, right? So 60 second, 15 seconds, and photo templates. So if you want to record a 60-second video, you simply want to make sure that the dot is above the 60-second mark like this. So not like that, but like this. Then you can start recording a 60-second video. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like and comment down below if this helped you to create a 60-second TikTok video. So yeah, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.